Hey guys, welcome back. Our expert advisors have now been running on our charts for a few days, and we're going to very quickly look at the results, and then I'm going to show you how to export it as a report. So as you can see, we are now looking in the trade window of IG, and from here what you want to do is you want to go to the third tab, which is account history. We're going to click on that, and then as you can see that we have a profit of around $50 in this account. We're going to go to JFD. JFD, very similar. We have a profit of $44. On FXTM, we have a very small loss of $4.50. And on DukaScopy, we have also a very small loss of $2.65. So our two profitable platforms, our two profitable brokers are IG and JFD. So these are the two that we are going to use moving forward. So what I want to do first is I want to download this as a report, and it's very, very easy to do. All we're going to do is in the account history window, we're going to right click anywhere. We're going to click on Save as Detailed Report. You'll see it comes up with this pop-up window and a file name and a file location. So I'm going to put it straight into my downloads, and I'm going to call this one Detailed Statement, and this is IG. Click Save. I'm going to do the very same thing with JFD. In the account history window, right click, select Save as Detailed Report. And this one I'm going to call Detailed Statement JFD, and I'm going to save that. Right, now we have two detailed reports, and if we open them up, you can see it here. What you can see is here we have all of the closed transactions. So these are all of the transactions that have opened and closed, and this is our profit and loss on those. And as you saw earlier, we have a profit of $44.07 on our closed, and then we have a whole lot of open trades. Don't worry too much about the open trades. What we're interested in right now is the closed trades. So this is obviously the one for JFD, as you can see on the top, and again we have a closed profit of $44. And if we look at our statement from IG, we have a closed profit of $49.50. So what we can see when comparing the four brokers is that it's very, very important to have a low spread and a low commission. If you remember, on JFD, our spread was around 4-5 points, and the commission was about $6 a lot. On IG, the spread was slightly higher. It was kind of between 6 and 9, but there is no commission. On FXTM, which is where we had a small loss, we have a large spread of around 18 to 20, but no commission. And on DukaScopy, we have a small spread of around between 4 and 5 points, but we have a larger commission of about $9.50 per lot. So again, when selecting your broker, it is very important to look at what they charge as a commission, as well as what the spread is. Based on these results, these are the two brokers that we're going to use moving forward. And I'm going to be showing you how we actually analyze the performance of the EAs on each one of these platforms, and how we select the EAs that have been profitable on both. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.